Awesome apple harvesting technology. Next level apple juice factory. Apple cultivation. You've watched a series of videos regarding the benefits of apples. This fruit is the best supplement to be added to your diet and can help you get the best health benefits. All are true, but we've come up with a twist to show you how this fruit is actually grown, harvested, and then how this fruit is turned into apple juice in the factory. So without much further ado, let's start with apple plantation in the farms. Then it's harvesting with both automatic and manual processes, and ultimately the apple juice factory where apple juices are being made. Keep watching. Apple harvesting. On most farms, the farmers want better products, so they direct the workers to harvest the plants manually, then load them in the boxes attached to the tractor. Therefore, the workers adhere to their directions. The tractor pulls a series of boxes at the same time with many of the workers who pluck the fruits manually and place them in the bucket. At times, the workers place one box in each column of the apple farm to get most of the harvesting done in less time than the tractors pulling them all to the parking area. This is how planting them together so they're looking so close helps the farmers to save their time and cost at the same time. Well, there's no doubt about the existence of harvesting machines, but that kind of machine doesn't guarantee growth in production due to the damages that can occur during the harvesting process. Manual picking of these fruits serves the best benefits, and the chances of getting rejected are little too, because no factories that make juices accept damaged fruit, and neither can damaged fruit be exported due to the reason of maintaining standards over the quality. When the boxes are filled and a maximum capacity of storage is met, then these boxes are taken to various sections that further process these apples to transform them into several other goods. Likewise, a good amount of these apples are exported to other countries. I love to consume this sweet fruit. These are the machines that are used to automatically harvest apples. This machine shakes the apple tree and leaves all the fallen apples on the ground. Then it's followed by a blower machine that blows the apples and accumulates them into one area. Then comes the turn for the picking machines that pick all the fruits by swallowing them and then putting them on the loading machine. The accumulated apples are now picked by the excavator that places them in the trucks, and this process is repeated until the harvesting process is completely done. But as you've seen, it creates more damage and lesser benefits for the farmers. Apple juice processing. The trucks arrive at the factory with a ton of apples that are going to be used to manufacture apple juice. The trucks are emptied at a designated place with an attachment net that allows standard size apples to fall, while captures those that are above sized. Even loads of cars are allowed to bring apples. These are the farmers that reap less fruit in some years, so that's why they fill it in their car and reach the factory to sell them out. The apples are then escalated to the factory in water, so they can be dusted off at the same time through an automated system. The fruit is then ground into smaller pieces so that the liquid becomes easy to obtain. The particles are then escalated through thick iron rods that take them to the giant steamer, which prepares the juice liquid. Upon the completion of the liquid process, the juice is now put into bottles that are in a very great number. All the processes are automated in this factory, and each operation is carried out by automatic machines under the direction of employees. Upon the filling of the bottles, the labeling machine puts the sticker of the factory on the bottles to make it easier for the consumers to identify their brand. Let us know in the comments section if you like to consume apple juice, and when was the last time you drank it? Apple plantation. This farming also demands a vast area where thousands of apple trees are planted. Apple plantation is mostly done in January and February, as it's a winter fruit. The plantation is being done with modern machines, as you can see, the tractor that demands 3 workers, among whom one drives the tractor, and the other 2 do the main operation of the plantation. One picks the seedlings and places them on the land, while the other assists him to plant them perfectly in a straight manner. The tractor can be used for any type of farming whose process is the same as the apple farming, and it comes with so much comfort where the workers can work at their ease even for long hours. It also balances the soil and helps to shape the plant to stand still. Once the plantation is done, then comes the main concern of watering these plants. This is why the farmers have instilled automated watering systems that ensure the system flows water to each plant and covers the dedicated area. The apple trees then, after 2 to 3 years, become capable of providing fruits, while right after 130 to 150 days of the plantation season, the grown trees begin to provide the fruits that become ready to harvest. Moreover, when it comes to the most producing countries, China has been holding this title for years. Last year, it produced 44 million metric tons. The list then includes the United States, Turkey, Poland, India, Italy, and it goes on.